Here we go again, another interior tweak to the Porsche Boxster 987. In the last video I removed the sun visor, which in my opinion cleaned up the look of the cluster, which I just love. You know, that retro kind of restomod/retro style to the dash is just looking amazing. I love driving and looking at that cluster now. And today we're going to take it up a notch and add another interior tweak. We're going to add this, the Momo Prototipo steering wheel. I've had my eye on this for a little while, so I've been really excited to take delivery of this and get it changed. But whenever you want to change your steering wheel, you need an adapter kit that is specific to your car. So I've got the Momo adapter kit. I'm going to be fitting both. I haven't opened this yet, so I don't know what it looks like in the flesh. I've seen pictures of it online, obviously, but I'm really excited. So let's just crack on, get this opened and see what it's going to look like and get it changed. I have been waiting like a child at Christmas. Okay, so there's all the connector bits that we need. What you will know about an automatic Porsche Boxster is that it's Tiptronic, this one. We're not looking to change that just yet, but I am in the lookout for some flappy paddles. So if anyone watching this knows where to get some really good flappy paddles which will fit this steering wheel, even if I've got to customize stuff, you know how good I am at mechanics, please let me know in the comments. Here it is. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. This feels so different. It's really light, but it just, already, it's not even fitted to the car yet, and I'm excited about this. And also the adapter, the Momo adapter, which, I mean, there's nothing really to it. It's just, so I know it's just a steering wheel. However, when you drive a car like this every day, every touch point matters. And this thing, in my opinion, looks absolutely beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. This is just another touch on the Porsche Boxster. There is plenty more to come, so feel free to subscribe if you want to keep up to date with this and other things in the pipeline. I'm really looking to grow a small community here, a community of car lovers, exhausted wallets just like mine, and just people who want to enjoy the journey really and share their car love and conversations and their motors as well. So yeah, please like, please subscribe, please comment and get involved in the Exhausted Wallet car community. Maybe even one day a car club, who knows.